at that view. Look at that sun coming up over the rocks.
Oh, you can't even look at it.
I know, and I can't even focus on it, but there's the sun coming up over the mountain. I can't wait to see the colors start. All right. Whole Foods shopping for hiking supplies. Our first hike is 4 miles, and it's like 35 degrees or something, maybe almost 40. We're getting started early this morning to see how many hikes we can get in today. All right, we are at the trailhead now. Got our bag full of snacks. That's from a video I saw somewhere where the little kid's going, snacks, snacks. Oh look, you can off-road right there if you're in the right kind of vehicle. Anyway, let's do it. Look how beautiful it is. So pretty. This is ice. This is how cold it is. And here's the trailhead.
3.6 mile round trip.
Huh?
I said it's 3.6 mile round trip. Although people got some off-roaders that can get back.
All right, we're a hot second into it. It's really not a bad hike at this point. I think at the end is where you start to get elevation. But the destination is some bridge. The Devil's Bridge. Dang it, there was just a deer walking, just strolling right across right here. And by the time I got my gloves out of my hands and got my camera open, he was already in the bushes. I'm trying to see if we can see him even in there, but we can't. It's pretty. I'm all about the greenery. Look at that plant. That is so cool right there. Oh my, there's frost there too.
Oh yeah, there's frost on all these.
Yeah. Still plowing along. Oh, it's so pretty. It's gonna be so nice when the sun's up and this is all like sun-kissed. Frost everywhere, and it's so pretty. On our way back, it won't be frosted, I'm sure. Those are really pretty. There is the Devil's Bridge trailhead. We've just been walking a mile on the road to get to
On the dry creek.
Yeah, to get to the trailhead, but now we're on the trailhead. At some point at the end, we got a rock climb up, which that's gonna be a good time. All right, I've already shed 2 layers, and we're almost to the part where we start climbing, but not quite. I know, the rocky terrain is not good for videotaping and walking. Not even videotaping. I was just talking about this crater we stopped at, and I wasn't even videotaping.
Purple lips.
Oh. Oh, it's so fun. Wow.
Lo que es que aquí se ve como más abierto. Sí, baja.
Right over there.
We'll do this on our way back.
It's a little dizzying up here, I can't lie. Whew. Great views all the way around. We're not even to it yet. This is just a little side spot we went off of. It's like being in Cars Land. That big. Look how smooth and pretty that rock is there. That's really pretty. Here's the last little bit of the hike up the steps.
So this is where we came from, and this is where she's going. We think we're going the right way. There's not really a trail path anymore.
There's still more.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
You probably have better angles than I
So I want to go below the bridge now and photograph it. My hand is freezing. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
I know, I was sweating too, and I never get hot.
All right, there's a lot of people here. They're all taking turns walking across so people can get their photos. We got 2 miles back, so having a power snack. Snack! Update on progress. That was very fun up there, but it was incredibly cold. And I'd already started taking off layers because I was hot from climbing up the walkway, that I had to hurry up and put stuff back on because it was so cold when I sat down to eat a snack. Then some dudes came up and they had music blaring out of their backpack, which totally disrupted the whole vibe of the whole thing up there. So we left. But I had a little snack on the way down the steeper part, and now we're more at the flat part. We got about 1.5 miles maybe to go before we're back out. And then we're going to a matcha tea place. We feel a little guilty going there without Fran. I'm sorry, Fran, but
It's not matcha, it's chai tea.
I mean chai. I'm sorry. Yeah, chai tea place. I'm the one that drinks matcha. She drinks chai. Anyway, we're excited, and we feel like we've really earned it. So I'd also like an acai bowl too, but we'll see if that's in the cards. I gotta keep looking down to make sure I don't fall. The ground that was completely frozen solid. The ground that was completely frozen solid is now starting to thaw. So I want to get out of here before our shoes and boots are covered in this red mud.
Look how pretty that.
We did it.
Good job.
I can almost smell the chai. I lived walking that far. I lived the 30-degree temperatures. I lived being on that tall building or bridge and Bill not pushing me off. I lived for the long walk back. I lived. We earned it. That is a work of art.
Oh, it's like a smoothie?
Oh, I know, like we haven't walked enough. So pretty. Oh, look at this. You can sit outside. Oh, I wish you could smell it.
Hello. How are you doing? Good. What are your drink sizes?
So for the hot tub,
Oh my God, I'm gonna sit out here. He said that it is traditional Pakistan tea. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna sit out here in the sun and drink this. This is gonna be so great. Oh yeah, those brownies look good. That is such a huge dessert. We ended up with a coffee ice cream. We didn't get a cake, much to Bill's dismay. We are at the airport overlook. We just tried to take a little bit. We just tried to take a little panorama, but we had to run around to be in the photo multiple times, so we're out of breath from doing that. And none of them turned out as great as we would have liked them to be, even though we took quite a few. Whew. Now we're heading to the other side of this parking lot to see what else there is to see. Okay, we just talked to the guy at the gate. He said there's a 0.6 mile walk, a 0.8 mile walk to a boulder, and then there's like a rope or something that you can climb up the boulder to get to the top where the Vortex is. And here's the Sedona view that we're going through now. All right, yesterday we drove to the Coffee Pot Rock, which is this right here. I am having a hard time seeing it, but I see it.
We saw the backside yesterday.
Yeah, I think we were too close. Anyway, he's obsessed with it now. We think that's maybe there. There's the two buttes, and then that's what we're climbing later. Okay, this is a slick, steep incline, so we got a railing. We just went up these huge steps. Oh my God. Okay, we can do this. We're almost there. I did not look to my left. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Parting my breath. This is considered a spiritual vortex in Sedona. So people might sit here and meditate. Oh man, I'm just gonna sit and rest. Oh, we can do it, we can do it. Here's Bill. He's heading to go back up on the trail to get the car. And he's gonna pull up right there to pick me up, because it's way up there somewhere. And I'm gonna relax in the vortex a little longer. Heading back down. Holding onto the cable while I go down, because it's just slick rock. I was supposed to put my phone away, so that's a big one, so I better put it away so that Bill doesn't yell at me. On a shuttle headed to Cathedral Rock. Fixing brows, boy, fixing brows.
There's no fixing.
No fixing. I was just saying, here's the shuttle we just got on. That's what we're climbing. And I want to do the easy breezy trail. But I guess we're doing that one.
Yeah. All right, here we are walking the first part of the trail to Cathedral Rock. And there is Cathedral Rock. got a ways to go. All right, here we are at the trail, Cathedral Rock. Man, this is gorgeous. There's Amy. We've already climbed quite a bit and we have to go all the way up there. You see the people up there, babe? That's where we're headed.
Oh yeah, we got this.
We got this. Let's go.
I don't know. It's so pretty. Sorry for the rapid breathing.
Here we are. This is kind of what we're going up now. And soon to be walking up there. Crazily. She's doing pretty good so far. All right, we're taking a break at the next stop, or at this stop. Just got a little bit further to go.
Really?
Doing really good.
A little further.
Yeah, it's nasty. All right, here we are at our next stop.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. Take your
time. Once I get here, I'll move over and you can.
All right. That was a terrible, terrible climb. We still got that little ways to go. Wow. And somebody's getting...
All right. We've come a long way. There's the road down there. I just slid. I just slid into Bill. Oh my God. I almost wet my pants. I never still got that much to go.
Wow. It's been a scary, scary climb. And we're not even to the top yet, but boy, look how far we've covered.
Look at the stairs.
Yeah,
The stairs.
the stairs suck. And there's the mountains.
We're trying to get over there.
Yeah. All right.
I don't see. I don't see.
It's been about 30 minutes now. All right, one last break before the final ascent. There she goes, folks. Keep going.
Oh yeah, it looks cool from here. Actually, just behind us. You've worked all this time for this beautiful
End of
view.
trail.
Alright, I think this is better because this was like.
Now we're gonna go back down and around to that other part.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
We are so high. So we don't quite see some of these.
Did I say they're from Columbus?
A lot of trees and a lot of and rain, like cornfields.
And we made it to the top.
All right, we were way over there. We came hugging this, and now we're gonna head up. Oh, so pretty. Okay, here we are. Oh my God. Inside the cathedral thing. What is it? What is it called? Cathedral Rock, that's it. We're inside Cathedral Rock. I'm gonna flip. Let's flip around so I can show you. I know I just showed you, but I'm gonna show you again. All right, so way down there, when we were taking video of that, and it was way down there, and we climbed up and then around, and I was so proud of myself. I might die up here.
Brian's gonna be proud of you. He's gonna be like, you're a mountain climber in the making.
I know, I'm not going anywhere with the Steffens. nothing like this. Oh, shoot.
Here we are, having our snack.
Nana.
With all that in the background.
Best snack ever. I totally feel like Kara. If only Nate were here.
Yeah. The views, man, the views. It's crazy.
I love this. I don't know why. All right. We're heading back down now.
Fort.
It's break time, man. This is how you get down the rock. This is the official way.
Mercy. All those people up there, I cannot believe we did that. I can't believe we made it all the way up there. That's crazy. We did that. And we were almost down. Well, we made it. We're at the base of the trailhead. It was a toughie. So proud of her. I'm tired. All right, we are at the very end now. There's where we were. She's earned her rest, folks. She's worn out. Crazy. I cannot believe we did that. Insane.
We've made it back to the room. Back in the room. We showered. And we're cozy. But now we're going to head back over to that brewery to get some Hefeweizen, maybe some appetizers or something for dinner. And then we're probably going to come back here and crash for the night. Here's the Hefeweizen he's been wanting.